guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, from styling services to shopping hauls. And for the styling services, I go from the popular Stitch Fix to lesser well-known boxes. I just love trying them all. So if that sounds good to you, please subscribe below. And for those of you who are returning, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. So today I am doing Stylestarter. This is my second box and I absolutely love the first box. So what Stylestarter is, it is an outfit in a box, one single outfit, top, bottom, accessory, and I think just kind of a freebie other item that might not necessarily be clothing related. I love the idea of somebody going out there, picking out a specific outfit for you and shipping it to you. It is $40 for one box plus $5 shipping. You can prepay for 3 months for $115 or 6 months for $230, or you can just buy a box here or there as you so choose. So after you sign up, you get emailed a style survey, you fill that out, and then shortly thereafter you get a box shipped to you. So this is my second one and I absolutely loved the first one, so I put a card to that video. And I'm super excited to see what's in here. I have no clue. There was one other YouTuber that I've seen that has done a review, Kimberly Flowers. I will also link to her video, and she got an amazing outfit too. So right now I'm absolutely loving this box, but we'll see what's inside. It's hard to judge these boxes when you only get one of them, because they could have gotten lucky and sent you a great box, or just had an off day and send you a bad box. And so it's nice to try these boxes a few times to really get a feel for how good they are, how good the style is. Now the thing with this box is you're obviously not getting the greatest quality, premium, normally $200 clothing items. You're going to get stuff that you normally get at the mall. But I like to shop at the mall, so that sounds great. If somebody wants to go to the mall with me and pick me up some clothes, I'm all for it. Okay, I think that's enough of an introduction. I've been dying to open this up. I got it right before I left for Chicago on a business trip, and it drove me nuts to not have it opened. So I've cut it, but I have not peeked. So let's get into this. Okay, so just tissue paper around some black, red, and white piece of clothing, whatever it is. I love it already. Oh, it's soft. Okay, we have, oh, okay. I'm gonna say it's gonna be like a kimono type top. Yeah. Oh, it's a scarf. It's a scarf. Wow, that took me a while. Okay, so it's a scarf, but probably meant to be kind of draped over you. Okay, and then we have, this is a Rue 21 top. It is a gray sleeveless top with a cross front, rounded hem on the bottom, and feels soft. This is actually going to be in the summer. I can guarantee you that I'm going to be wearing this a lot because it's just a nice, cute, casual shirt. And then we have a pair of black skinnies. They are super soft, and I mean, that's what they say here. Super soft, high rise. They are 24 instead of 25, so hopefully they fit because I am a 25. And this is by Cello, C-E-L-L-O. I will read, it's got like a little, I love these clothing that always come with like a little piece of information on it. It says, this luxuriously super soft denim is designed to hide imperfections to create the flawless silhouette. Using the latest fiber technology, this fabric enhances the natural soft feel that won't stretch out or lose its color, creating the perfect black denim. Okay, well, I like the idea of a perfect black denim. This sounds great to me. Okay, so I really like this. This is great. And then we have, this is hair mask. This is like the freebie other item that I was referring to. So this is a hair mask, and it says no more bad hair days, and is deep conditioning and hydrating, made with argan oil. So I've got dry, crusty hair, so this will definitely get used up quickly. This is awesome. Okay, so that's my box. Here's my outfit. I think it looks great. I'm not quite sure how to wear this scarf thing, so I'm probably going to need your guys' feedback, but I'm going to do my best. and let's get to it. Okay, so I have the scarf on. I'm not positive that I'm doing it right. It did come with like a ring. What am I supposed to do with this? So if somebody can help me figure this out, that would be super. I've never worn like a scarf as a cardigan type thing, but I think it's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. I love the red and white and black together. Gorgeous. If I figure out how to wear this, then I'm going to be excited about that. Now, the tank fits perfectly. It is just a cute, simple tank that most likely I'm going to wear all summer next summer. So there's that. And then these pants, what on earth? They're fantastic. They feel amazing. They are a high rise and they come in at the waist. There's not extra gapping here. It's just all fits well. And again, perfect length on these. I do not know how my girl at Stylestarter finds me pants that aren't a mile too long, because other styling services can't seem to do it. I don't know how she does it, but it's fantastic, and they are super soft, super stretchy, super comfortable. I could sleep in these, so I can't say enough good things about these pants. Cello, C-E-L-L-O. I'm going to start looking for those pants from now on because I love these. And we'll see how they wear over time, and I'll probably put in the comments because it might take me a little bit to get this posted, so I'll put, not in the comments, but I'll put in the description kind of how they've worn. But so far I'm loving them. Great outfit. Let's do a quick recap. Okay, I am filming this video concurrently with a Nadine West, which is why I have a Nadine West piece on and why I'm wearing this random outfit for my recap. So in this box, like I had said in before, you get a top, a bottom, and accessory. I absolutely loved the top. I think it's just a cute casual top. I'm going to wear this all the time, no doubt. Love, love, love these pants. They were perfect. And then, so like I said, in this box, you get a top, a bottom, an accessory, which the scarf is accessory. It is gorgeous, just absolutely gorgeous. I just have to figure out how to wear it. And I forgot to mention, it is Calvin Klein. It actually has a tag on it, and it's normally like $44. So she must have got an amazing deal on it, and I love it. And then again, the hair mask, and you get all these pieces for essentially 45 bucks with shipping. I think it's such a great deal. If I stopped all other styling boxes, I'd probably continue this one because I love it. It's always risky when you have a styling box where it's not just pay for what you keep, you're paying for everything. But so far I've had such great luck with it where I love everything. Everything's a great deal that I am perfectly fine with that, and I really love this box. So I highly recommend trying it. I can't wait to order one for next month. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Again, if you're not subscribed, please do so below. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you're notified every time I post. And have a happy Friday, which is the day I am recording this, and I love you guys, and hopefully we'll see you next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.